സ്ത്രീധനം എന്നത് സ്ത്രീയുടെ മാത്രം വിഷയമല്ല എന്നും ഇത് ഒരു മാനുഷിക പ്രശ്നമാണെന്നും സ്ത്രീധനം വാങ്ങില്ലെന്ന് ഉറപ്പ് നൽകുന്നവർക്ക് മാത്രമേ സർവകലാശാലകൾ പ്രവേശനം നൽകാവൂ എന്നും പ്രവേശന സമയത്തും ബിരുദം നൽകുന്നതിന് മുൻപും ബോണ്ട് ഒപ്പിട്ട് വാങ്ങണമെന്നും ചരിത്ര നിർദ്ദേശവുമായി ഗവർണർ ആരിഫ് മുഹമ്മദ് ഖാൻ സർവകലാശാല നിയമനങ്ങളുടെ കാര്യത്തിലും ഇതേ രീതി പിന്തുടരണമെന്നും ഗവർണർ പറഞ്ഞു. വൈസ് ചാൻസലർമാരുമായുള്ള ചർച്ചയ്ക്ക് ശേഷമാണ് ഗവർണറുടെ ഈ പ്രഖ്യാപനം.
So I, with folded hands, I am appealing to you. Kerala is a state which has highest literacy in the country. It is a state where there is highest contribution of the women in the social, literary, economic life of the state. And this is not a woman issue. This is a human issue. Because if you bring down your women, this society will be brought down. This is a duty which we owe to ourselves, to our society, that we must ensure that no girl for marriage, the family of the girl is forced to father and daughter. Whatever father wants to do, that should be between the father and the daughter. It should have nothing to do with the bridegroom or the family of the bridegroom. In fact, they should not even know what father like son, he can't ignore his daughter. A daughter also has a share in everything. But demanding dowry, this is repugnant not to womanhood, this is repugnant to human dignity. And I am especially appealing to the media, because last few days I have seen, I have been told that there have been such, why this is being done, is it against the Chief Minister is enthusiastic about it. He came to the Raj Bhavan, he said, this is a wonderful move to ask the student to sign a bond before degree is given. And now these suggestions which have come in the meeting of the Vice Chancellor, they say that why only student? The parents, because at the time of the admission, parents are more anxious. So at the time if you want admission, then you will have to sign the bond, because degree of a university education, Vidya must give Vivek. Vidya is Vimarsh Rupni. It gives us a sense of right and wrong. The universities cannot and should not allow their degrees to be used as a license to increase the price of the bridegroom in the marriage market. Even universities won't accept it. Yes, I say that Vidya gives Vivek, and Vidya is described in our tradition as Vimarsh Rupni, which means it gives us a sense of right and wrong. Now it is demeaning for the university if the degree given by it is used to demand more dowry. So universities have every right, they are well within their rights, that they can ask the person who is going to receive the degree to sign a bond. And they are not asking to sign a bond for something which is extra legal. This is a crime, punishable crime. So university will be asking only to sign a bond that we shall uphold the law, we shall not break the law. No. Now, some more. I have already written to the Vice Chancellor. But since we have decided to hold the meeting, so this region, most of the Vice Chancellors were present here. The remaining Vice Chancellors will meet after 21st in Trivandrum. We will take their viewpoint also, and then formulate all because this had not occurred to me. What the Vice Chancellors now said, that the parents at the time of the admission are very anxious. Not only that, but even those who are appointed in the university, in any capacity, they will also be asked to sign a bond that if they are unmarried, in their marriage, they will not ask for dowry. If lady is there, I will not give dowry. And in the case of their offspring, we shall not demand dowry. Now, lady, you were asking something, please.
What are the feedbacks that you receive from the GCs here? When is this going to be implemented?
I have already told you, I have to given them final instruction. But I think we will need to modify them because some more very, very positive and very, I feel very productive suggestions have come. So we will incorporate them also. But this has been given, and before the degree, the recipient will be asked to sign the bond. At the time of the admission, parents will be asked to sign a bond. And Kerala is not the only state where this meanness exists.
മലയാളം ടെലിവിഷൻ തിരുവനന്തപുരം.
പൊന്നിൻ തിളക്കമുള്ള സത്യസന്ധതയ്ക്ക് 6 വയസ്സ്. അതെ, പവൻ ഗോൾഡ് 6ാം വാർഷികം ആഘോഷിക്കുന്നു. പ്രിയ ഉപഭോക്താക്കൾക്ക് ഇതാ ഞങ്ങളുടെ സ്പെഷ്യൽ ആനിവേഴ്സറി സമ്മാനം. 120 ദിവസങ്ങൾ, 120 വിജയികൾ. മാർച്ച് 30 മുതൽ 4 മാസം നീണ്ടു നിൽക്കുന്ന തിളക്കമാർന്ന ഓഫർ. പവൻ ഗോൾഡിൽ നിന്നും പർച്ചേസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന നറുക്കെടുപ്പിലൂടെ തിരഞ്ഞെടുക്കുന്ന ഓരോ ഉപഭോക്താവിനും പണിക്കൂലി തികച്ചും സൗജന്യം. ഓരോ ദിവസവും ഓരോ വിജയി. ഇതാണ് യഥാർത്ഥ ഓഫർ. വരൂ, ആ വിജയി നിങ്ങളാകാം. യഥാർത്ഥ സ്വർണത്തോടൊപ്പം തിളങ്ങുന്ന ഭാഗ്യവും സ്വന്തമാക്കൂ. കണ്ടീഷൻസ് അപ്ലൈ. പവൻ ഗോൾഡ്, താഴെപ്പാലം, തിരൂർ. 049424239116.